You move into a new rental and spot the ventless washer or dryer. It looks sleek and saves space. You think it's perfect for your small apartment. But soon, your utility bill spikes without warning. The air feels sticky after doing laundry. Mold spots appear near the machine. You wonder if the landlord told you everything about these ventless appliances. Most renters don't realize the hidden challenges they bring. You might think a ventless unit means less hassle, but it often means more work for you. If you're planning to use or already have one, you need to know the real story. Stick with me as I reveal the 6 secrets landlords don't want renters to know about ventless appliances. These truths will save you money, time, and headaches. Ventless appliances are common in rentals. Landlords like them because they don't need outside vents, but they come with hidden issues. Today, you'll learn exactly what landlords don't tell you. I will share 6 secrets about ventless machines. You'll understand how they use energy, affect your home's air, and why they need special care. You'll find out where to place them best and what warranty traps to watch. Plus, you'll get the truth on their performance limits. I'll give clear advice and tips. This isn't just theory. These are facts every renter should know. By the end, you'll be ready to handle your ventless appliance like a pro. Let's dive into secret number 1. Secrets number 1. Ventless appliances often use more energy to make up for no vent. That means your electricity or gas bill may climb without warning. These machines recycle air inside to dry clothes or heat water. Without vents, they work harder to remove moisture and heat. For example, a ventless dryer uses a heat pump or condensation system. These systems run longer cycles than vented dryers. A typical vented dryer takes about 40 minutes, but ventless units can run 60 to 90 minutes per load. This extra time means more power use. If you have a gas ventless dryer, the burner runs longer to keep heat inside instead of venting it out. Electric ventless dryers rely on compressors and fans that consume steady energy for longer. You might notice your utility bill rising within a month. Many renters don't check this difference until they get the shock of a higher bill. You can estimate the extra cost by comparing energy labels. Look for Energy Star ratings, but remember, ventless models often have lower efficiency scores due to their design. To manage this, use appliances during off-peak hours if your utility charges less than. Set your machine to lower heat or eco mode to cut energy use. Regularly clean filters and lint traps to keep machines running smooth and avoid extra power drain. If you want a cheaper alternative, consider drying clothes partly by air drying or using a drying rack. This reduces the load on your ventless dryer. You can also check if your landlord will allow a vented appliance or install a vent kit if building codes permit. If the energy cost is too high, talk to your landlord about splitting utility charges fairly. Remember, ventless units save space but trade that for more energy use. Plan accordingly so your bills don't surprise you. Secrets number 2. Ventless appliances increase indoor humidity and can hurt air quality if not managed well. Without a vent, moisture stays inside your home. This can cause problems, especially in small or poorly ventilated spaces. For example, after several drying cycles, you might notice damp walls or window condensation. That moisture feeds mold growth and dust mites. It also makes your home feel stuffy or sticky. Some ventless dryers use condensation to remove moisture, but the water collects in a tank you must empty regularly. If you forget, water can overflow or leak. Plus, the air released back into the room is warmer and more humid. In winter, this extra moisture might seem nice, but in summer, it can worsen discomfort and lead to mildew. Landlords often ignore this issue or don't warn renters. To prevent problems, place a dehumidifier nearby. It will pull excess moisture from the air. Also, run bathroom or kitchen fans while using the appliance to help air circulation. If your apartment has windows, open them after laundry to let fresh air in and moisture out. Another tip is to schedule laundry times to allow the room to dry fully before the next cycle. Avoid stacking clothes too tightly in the machine. Overloading traps moisture and reduces drying efficiency. If you smell musty odors, Clean or replace air filters often and wipe down the surrounding area. You might also invest in an air purifier to reduce airborne allergens caused by excess moisture. If the building lacks good ventilation, talk to your landlord about installing vents or fans to improve airflow. Moisture buildup is a silent problem renters face, but it can cause damage to walls and health if ignored. Stay proactive and keep your room dry and fresh. Secrets number 3. Ventless appliances need more frequent cleaning to avoid mold and bad smells. Landlords rarely mention this extra maintenance. Because the machines recycle air inside, mold and mildew can grow in hidden spots. You may find a musty smell inside the drum or on clothes. The water tanks or condensers trap moisture and become breeding grounds for bacteria. You should clean these parts every 1 to 2 months, depending on use. For example, empty and rinse the water collection tank after every few drying cycles. Use a mild detergent or vinegar solution to wipe the drum and seals monthly to kill mold spores. Check the lint filter closely. Unlike vented dryers, ventless units have more lint buildup inside the condenser or heat exchanger areas. Some brands like Bosch or Miele include Easy to remove filters you can clean with running water. Remove all lint to maintain airflow and efficiency. If you skip cleaning, your machine will smell worse, dry slower, and may break sooner. For tough odors, run a cleaning cycle or use a washing machine cleaner product designed for ventless units. If you see mold spots on the outside, clean with a bleach solution, but always wear gloves and ventilate the room. You can set reminders on your phone to keep maintenance regular. Some renters find a professional cleaning once a year worth the cost to avoid bigger repairs. Keep in mind, neglect can void your warranty if damage happens from poor care. Use recommended cleaning products and follow the manufacturer's manual. The effort pays off with longer machine life and fresher clothes. If your landlord won't provide cleaning instructions, ask for the user manual or search online for your model. Being proactive with cleaning stops small issues from becoming costly repairs. Secrets number 4. You must place ventless appliances carefully to avoid moisture buildup and damage. Landlords often overlook this detail or deny renters freedom to move the machines. Ventless units work best in rooms with good airflow and space around them. For example, installing a ventless dryer in a small closet with no ventilation will cause moisture to accumulate quickly. This can ruin walls, flooring, and nearby furniture. Ideally, place your appliance near a window or exhaust fan. Leave at least a few inches of space on all sides as per the user manual. That room needs to handle extra heat and humidity. If your apartment has a laundry area, use that. Otherwise, avoid placing machines in bedrooms or living rooms where moisture can harm your personal space. If allowed, add a small portable fan to push humid air out a window. Another option is to use a vent hose adapter if your building code permits adding a partial vent. Some machines come with kits or adapters for this. If you rent an older place with poor ventilation, consider asking your landlord for improvements like adding vents or fans to laundry areas. Also, avoid placing ventless appliances on carpets or wood floors that absorb moisture. Use a waterproof mat or tray underneath to catch drips or leaks. Keep electrical outlets away from damp spots. If you see condensation on nearby walls after use, move the machine or improve airflow. Remember, improper placement can cause costly repairs to your rental unit or belongings. Plan where you put the appliance carefully and maintain good air circulation. This simple step protects your home and health. Secrets number 5. Many ventless appliances have limited warranties and expensive repairs that landlords don't highlight. These machines use complex technology like heat pumps or condensers that can break down. Parts and service costs are often higher than standard vented appliances. For example, if your heat pump fails, repairs can cost hundreds of dollars. Some models have warranties covering only a year or 2 for major components. Landlords sometimes choose ventless units to save on installation costs but shift repair costs onto renters. If you're renting, read your lease carefully about who pays for appliance repairs. Ask your landlord what warranty applies and get a copy if possible. Some brands like LG or Samsung offer extended warranties for purchase. If your machine is old, repairs might not be worth it. You may want to suggest replacing it with a newer model, but landlords can refuse. To avoid surprises, keep a repair fund or insurance covering appliance issues. Also, troubleshoot small problems early. For example, listen for strange noises or watch for water leaks. Regular cleaning can prevent many failures. If your appliance stops working, check online forums or manufacturer support for DIY fixes. Sometimes resetting or cleaning sensors can restore function. If you hire a technician, get multiple quotes and confirm they specialize in ventless appliances. Avoid unlicensed repair people who might cause more damage. Understanding warranty limits and repair realities helps you plan financially and avoid conflicts with your landlord. Secrets number 6. Ventless appliances often have longer cycles and less drying or heating power than vented models. Landlords rarely explain this trade-off. Your laundry or heating takes more time, which can be frustrating. For example, a ventless dryer might take 1.5 hours to dry a full load compared to 40 minutes on a vented dryer. This happens because ventless systems dry by condensing moisture inside, which is slower than pushing moist air outside. Similarly, ventless heaters or air conditioners recycle room air instead of venting it, reducing peak performance. You may notice clothes feel damp or heaters don't warm rooms quickly. To adjust, plan laundry and heating times in advance. Use smaller loads to speed drying. Clean filters and water tanks regularly to improve efficiency. Some ventless dryers include drying boosters or eco modes. Use them selectively depending on your needs. If drying takes too long, try partially air drying clothes before the machine cycle. For heating, supplement ventless units with space heaters or fans for better comfort. Also, check if your appliance settings allow temperature customization to balance speed and energy use. Accepting longer cycles and reduced power is part of living with ventless appliances. Knowing this upfront helps you set realistic expectations and avoid frustration. Talk to your landlord if performance is poor to explore possible upgrades or alternatives. So we covered those 6 secrets about ventless appliances landlords don't want renters to know. You learned about higher energy use, moisture risks, and the extra cleaning these machines need. We talked about placing them carefully to avoid damage, knowing warranty limits, and expecting longer cycles. These truths help you avoid surprises and protect your home, health, and wallet. Ventless appliances save space, but come with trade-offs. You now have the knowledge to manage those trade-offs well. Take control of your space and appliance care. Try the tips I shared today and keep your rental comfortable and safe. Share this video with fellow renters and DIYers so they aren't caught off guard either. Remember, good information is the best tool you have. Keep improving your home and enjoy the benefits without the headaches.
Thanks for watching, and good luck with your ventless appliances!